Hello, today I'm showing you how to create a double bar graph for your statistics project. Just a reminder, go into your statistics project and remember you need to have your title page. We've already created a circle graph. If you haven't already, you can go back and watch the video on that. And we created a frequency table. There's a video created for that. And today we're going to do a double bar graph. So what you'll need from this is you're going to need the data from your survey. And so on my survey, I only had like, are you an adult kid? Do you think Pop-Tarts are a breakfast food or junk food? And then on how many days a week on average do you eat Pop-Tarts? So this one right here, I'm saving my numerical data for my box and whisker plot. So I'm actually going to use the same data that I used for the frequency table for this chart, and that's totally fine. If you have an additional categorical question that you have, like one that has more multiple choice questions or that kind of stuff, and you want to use that one for this particular one, you can do that as well. Either way will be fine. So if you haven't watched the video on how to take the Google form and sort your data in Google Sheets, go back and watch that data because you need that. You need to be able to sort it and you need to be able to have your data here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screenshot or copy down this data here so it's going to be easier to pull in when I get over on my chart. So pause the video if you need to gather that information and then come back. Okay, so we're going to go back to that meta chart that we did before. So it's meta-chart.com. When you pull it up, there are, you'll have to close the ad out. There is a bar chart, but we want the one that says multiple bar chart because we're doing a double bar graph. So make sure you click multiple bar chart here. And same thing, just like you can change the background, border color, whatever you want to do, but I'm just going to show you the basics. Go to data. This time you need more than one group, okay? If you have male, female population, you'll have two groups. If you have 6th, 7th, 8th grade, or you have more than two populations, you'll put those in. So for me, I have two populations. And then items. Items would be the choices that you had. So if you had like 4 choices listed as their answers, then you would put 4. But for me, I only had Pop-Tarts or breakfast food. I only had breakfast food and junk food are my 2 choices. So mine's going to look just like this. 2 groups, 2 items. My first group is going to be adults. And my second group is going to be kids. And then for my items, my item 1 is going to be breakfast food. And my item 2 is going to be junk food. And again, you can change the color scheme on here if you want to. I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to do blue. There we go. And so for my adults, I need to go back to my, I can go back and pull my data. My adults that said it was breakfast food was 38%. So adults that said it was breakfast food was 38%. And let's see, I'm going to leave that at just 38 as my value. And then my kids that said it was breakfast food was 72%. And my adults that said it was junk food was 62%. And my kids that said it was junk food was 28%. Okay. And so once you get that, then you can go in with labels. And again, you give it a graphic title. You can say, are Pop-Tarts breakfast food or junk food? And then my y-axis is the axis that's going up in this way, and that's going to be frequency. It should have, okay, maybe nothing. That's fine. But my x-axis, it's units. Okay, sorry. So I'm going to be labeling. Okay, so I'm going to label my y-axis label as frequency. And then I don't need a source here. My font, I'm going to change my font here to like 18. I'm going to change my label font to 14. and then I'll kind of look and see what it looks like, and then I'm going to display it. And I think that looks good. And so again, just like before, you can either download it or you can screenshot it, whichever you prefer to do. And once you copy it or you download it, you can go into your statistics project slides and you can paste it in and just kind of go from there. I hope this video is helpful. Hope you have a great day. Bye.